Hello everyone. You going on a road trip this summer or vacation? Well, don't leave home without your CB radio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a temporary, high-performance, low-cost mobile CB radio setup. For this mobile installation, I'm going to use a President Thomas FCC AM/FM CB radio. This is new for 2022. I'm going to use a President magnet mount. I'm going to use a Pro Comm base-loaded CB antenna. This is a high-performance CB antenna that's easy on the eyes. How could I say, maybe more wife-friendly. And then we're going to use a cigarette lighter adapter. This is how we're going to get power to the CB radio. I said at the beginning of this video, you could install this and take this out of your vehicle in under 10 minutes. However, there is one step that we need to address first to make that possible. This particular radio is what we call hardwired, meaning that the cord is not on a plug at the back of the radio. It's hardwired into the radio, so it's permanently mounted. So what we need to do here is we need to take and wire up a cigarette lighter adapter or an accessory adapter. If you have one of these round holes in your car next to a USB port, right? It's actually what we old schoolers call cigarette lighters. So that would be a cigarette lighter adapter. And what we need to do is hook this to this. Now you can do this a few different ways. If you would like, you could just twist these wires together. Red always goes to red, black goes to black. We could just twist those together and tape them up, and that will work if you don't have the proper tools. However, I prefer to use crimp caps or butt connectors, end splice connectors, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those today. If you don't have any of these, you can go down to the auto parts store, pick up some barrel connectors. The red connector is for the smaller gauge wire, blue is for a larger gauge, yellow is for a huge wire that we're not going to use. Okay, so like I said earlier, red goes to red. So we're going to plug that in there. We're going to take our crimpers. Now understand, this is a one-time deal. After you get this set up, you'll never have to do this again, allowing us to take this radio in and out in just minutes. We're done. Now when you're done with your setup, you can put all this back together in your box, and this is just something you'll never have to do again. Okay, let's go outside and install our system. Okay, that was a pretty easy installation, just took a couple minutes. We've got the coax routed in behind the seat. Power wires right here from the cigarette lighter. We have power, we have good receive signal here. Pretty nice, pretty decent setup. We're gonna get about anywhere from 1.5 to about 4 miles with this. And that's fairly conservatively rated, given various conditions or the size of your vehicle. You could get up to 5 miles or maybe even a little bit more than that. So anyway, there you go. This is a quick and simple mobile CB radio installation. Again, using the President CB radio and magnet mount. And really, that doesn't look too bad up there. It's pretty wife friendly, actually. All right, Please leave questions or comments down below, and if you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Thanks for watching.